In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a checkbox in ClickUp. To get started, open ClickUp and go to your workspace. This is the main area where your projects, tasks, and custom settings are organized. Once you're in the correct workspace, you'll be ready to add a checkbox exactly where you need it. Next, navigate to the task where you want to add the checkbox. Find the task in your list, board, or whatever view you're using, and then click on it to open it. Opening the task is important because both custom field checkboxes and checklist checkboxes are added from inside the task itself. Once the task is open, look for the custom field section. In that section, click Add Custom Field. Custom fields are useful when you want to track specific information directly on a task, especially if that information is simple and can be answered with a yes or no. After that, choose Checkbox as the custom field type. In ClickUp, the checkbox custom field is designed for true or false information, so it's perfect for situations where something is either completed, approved, confirmed, or not yet done. Now enter a name for your checkbox. Make the name clear and easy to understand so anyone viewing the task knows exactly what the checkbox means. For example, you could name it Client Approved. A descriptive name helps keep your workspace organized and avoids confusion later. Once you've named it, click Create or Save. As soon as you do that, the checkbox will appear in the task's custom fields section. At this point, the checkbox has been successfully added and is ready to use. To use the checkbox, simply click it to mark it as completed. If you need to change it back, click it again to remove the check. This makes it very easy to update the task's status for that specific field whenever needed. If you want multiple checkboxes inside the task, scroll down to the checklist section instead. Then click Create Checklist. From there, add your checklist items. Each item will automatically come with its own checkbox, which is useful when you're tracking several smaller actions within one task. As you complete each checklist item, click the checkbox beside it. The finished items will be marked as checked, making it easy to see progress at a glance. Finally, return to the task and confirm that your checkbox custom field or your checklist items are displayed correctly. This quick final check helps make sure everything was added the way you intended. Your checkbox is now added to ClickUp. Thanks for watching.